Data Science Masterclass for beginners. Start your 100K plus tech career today. Hey, future data pros. Have you ever asked yourself how companies like Amazon, Netflix, or Google make sense of the massive data they collect every second? Welcome to the Data Science Masterclass for beginners, your entry point into one of the highest paying and most in-demand tech careers in the world. And the best part? It's completely free. Let's start with the basics. Data science is the process of extracting insights and value from data. It blends statistics, programming, machine learning, and business knowledge to make smarter decisions. Whether you're building AI, analyzing trends, or building recommendation engines, data science is behind it all. What you'll learn in this course? This free course gives you a beginner-friendly roadmap to the field. Here's what you'll master. What data science really is. The three main types of data mining: classification, clustering, and association. How machine learning is different from deep learning. Which programming language to start with: Python, R, SAS, or SQL. A complete walkthrough of the data science methodology, from understanding the problem to deployment. How to build a basic chatbot using real-world examples, and how to use GitHub to collaborate on real coding projects. Everything is explained in clear, easy-to-follow steps. Career outlook and salary? Now let's cop numbers. According to industry reports, the average salary for entry-level data scientists in the US is around $95,000 to $120,000 per year. With experience, that number can go even higher, into the $150,000 plus range. Demand is booming across finance, healthcare, retail, e-commerce, logistics, and beyond. And globally, companies are hiring remote data scientists more than ever. Who is this course for? This masterclass is perfect for beginners exploring tech, career changers from non-tech backgrounds, business professionals who want to upskill, students trying to understand if data science is right for them. With over 24,000 students enrolled, this is your chance to learn from a structured, real-world-based curriculum. Absolutely free. How to enroll? So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to join the free Data Science Masterclass for beginners. No experience required. Learn at your own pace. Build the right foundation to break into a six-figure career. And don't forget to like, comment, "I'm ready to become a data scientist," and hit the subscribe button for more free tech masterclasses.